Assalamualaikum everyone, this is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Guys, today we will learn about how can we make our own brushes in Photoshop. So let's start. From here into the file, I am taking a new file of size 5 by 5 inches and the resolution I am taking to 150 and the color mode is RGB. Hit OK. Guys, from here let's make a new layer. On this background layer, I want to give this color black. So from here, let's select the black color like this. Hit OK. And for filling the color, you can press Alt backspace. By this, you can fill the color very easily. On this upper layer, now I'm going to make a lips. Guys, from here, first of all, I'm adjusting the rulers to the center. Here, 2.5 center, and from here, I'm adjusting this also to the center. You can see I have this center point right here. Now with the help of this lips tool, by pressing Alt and Shift button, I will make a circle very easily. You can see like this. Now let's make a new layer. Guys, I will take a brush from here. Let's take a very soft brush. I'm changing the color to white. Guys, now you can see like this. Keep on painting to the edges. You can see this effect is just like the gradient. Now I'm deleting this background layer. First guys, I'm pressing Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now let's delete this background layer from here. Hit yes button. Press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Like this, go into the edit. Guys, go into the edit and I'm going to define brush preset. I'm naming my brush here B2. Hit OK. And deleting this layer, I'm giving this layer black color. Press Alt backspace to fill the color very easily. Now in this brush option, change the color from here. This white color. Hit OK. You can see this will work like this, but I don't need this, so I had pressed Ctrl Z. From here I go into the brush settings and I will show how the brush settings will work. Go into the shape dynamics and from here do the size theta to 100 and the angle theta to also 100. You can see the changes. And in the scattering option, I want to scatter this to make the water droplets. You can see like this. Now I'm decreasing its size. Guys, you can see if I click like this here, you can see the transformation. Just wow. You can make this like this your own brush into the Photoshop. Guys, hope this was helpful tutorial. If you like, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. This is artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.